Alright, today will be a very special day as we will be attending this year's Manila International Auto Show here in SMX Convention Center. This will be my second time attending this event. Last year, pumunta ako dito to cover a launch from Idemitsu Motor Oil for their new products last year. And hindi ako masyado nakapag-gala-gala dahil doon. And hopefully, ngayon as visitor lang, walang work na kasama sa pagbisita ko, makakapagtingin tayo ng what's in there for us this time of the year. And of course, this will be a very special vlog kasi everything will be filmed using this new Osmo Pocket 3 and i-review ko siya. Editor Miko here, makikisapaw lang. Your boy got too busy looking at the cars and he was not able to review the camera at all. So, I guess, just enjoy the rest of the vlog. Titingnan ko kung ano yung first impressions ko sa kanya and what I like and what I dislike. Ayun, so sumahan niyo ako sa ating journey to Mo. Let's go! What I'm excited about this camera is yung versatility talaga niya na pwede ko siyang dalhin kahit saan ko gusto. For example, gusto ko lang pumunta ng mall and then gusto ko lang i-vlog kung anong mangyayari that day. Hindi ko pwedeng dalhin yung full frame camera ko dun. Hindi ko pwedeng dalhin yung A7 III. Sobrang intimidating lang niya for everyone. For me and then para sa mga tao rin na nasa paligid na uy, ang laki-laki ng camera niya, may vlogger, ganyan-ganyan. Siyempre, medyo nakaka-attract siya ng attention. Although alam ko part naman siya ng vlogging na talagang ganito ka, may hawak kang camera kung saan-saan. Pero that unnecessary attention, medyo hindi ko talaga siya bet. Tsaka yung fact na sobrang lightweight niya and yung pangalan niya Osmo Pocket kasi talagang pwede mo siyang ilagay sa pocket mo. Here's its case. Ayan. Kasing size lang siya ng kamay ko and of course, kasyang-kasya sa mga pockets, sa mga small bags. Itong beanbag na dala ko, kasyang-kasya sa dyan. Pwedeng ipasok agad. So, talagang sobrang versatile niya. Gusto ko siyang makita kung paano ko siya gagamitin throughout the day since this is my first vlog ever with this camera. Apparently, puro Chinese brands, mga up-and-coming Chinese brands ang nandito sa SMX. And I think yung mga very established car brands are back there at World Trade Center. Dapat magsha-shuttle ako papuntang World Trade Center. Pero as you can see, ang haba ng pila. Tingin ko isang shuttle lang yun niikot. Ito nangyari sa pila. I guess babalik tayong parking para kunin yung sasakyan and mag-park diretso sa World Trade Center. Masyadong mahaba yung pila, matatagalan tayo pa uwi. Alright, see you there. As it turns out, yung mga brands pala na nandito sa SMX Convention ay mga up-and-coming Chinese brands. Hindi ako nakapag-research beforehand before going here. Ang mga notable brands lang dito is Chevy, Photon, and then MG. And then others, puro mga electric car manufacturers from China. Like yung Aceros ba yun? Hindi ko na matandaan. We're now headed to World Trade Center to check yung, guess nandun yung main attractions nila ng mga main brands kasi last year nagaling na ako doon and then that's where I got my freebies from Ford and hopefully mas marami tayong makikita doon compared to what we have seen here. So, let's go!
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream.